Okay, today we will discuss about how do we test the project for midterm. Okay, so we'll first discuss about the router. Okay, so we have two minimum routers. Yes, done. Now we need to check four basic configuration first. Okay, so I'll go for the router first. When I open the router, okay, I have done many configurations basic. How do I test this? Okay, I'll open the router here. First thing, tell them this is a banner message. I configured a banner. The message is unauthorized access restricted. Then before you enter the router, they are asking a password. This is console password, line count zero. That password you want to try. Okay. In my topology, my console password is Cisco, but I can't see what I'm typing. Just you type. Okay. You can't see what you're typing. Cisco. Now, third one is I configured host name. That's what Sohar Oil is. Okay, Sohar Oil. Now, I want to move to the privilege mode. I'll go for enable. Now, I have enabled password and enable secret. Enable secret password as high priority. So, try that one. In my case, it is Sohar 456. You can't see what you're typing, but still you can type. Okay, so see, they need four basic configuration. I have done many. So first, how do I test? Open the router. First, show the banner message, then enter the console password, second one, then host name, third, then enable secret password, fourth. Now I have done more. Just go inside show run. Okay, running configuration show run. So mentioned there, I configure service password encryption. This command will encrypt or make all the password secret. Okay. Then security password minimum length. Another basic configuration. My minimum password length of each password like console, telnet, enable secret, everything should be minimum 5 letter or 5 digits. Okay. Host name already done. Enable password is there. Because of enable secret password that has high priority, I am bypassing enable password. Okay. After that, another basic configuration, I can see my console password here. Where is that? I already tried that, no? Tested. So here I will show you console pass. See, ban already there. Okay. Then line console password. This password, why? Because this is number, because I configured the command service password encryption. All passwords will become encrypted. So basic configuration is done. Okay. Now what is the next one? Subinterface. Okay, subinterface yani I have four VLANs in this topology in the head office. Okay, VLAN 10, VLAN 20, VLAN 30, VLAN 40. Okay, four VLANs. Now what I did, I have only one router interface. I want to divide this, subinterface this, because we are using encapsulation dot one q protocol. Okay, so what I need to do, I want to divide the interface into many subinterfaces 0.0 dot fs 0 dot 10 dot 20 dot 30 dot 40. For each VLAN, I need to have a subinterface and I need to assign a gateway IP. For that, I need subinterface. Okay, so how I show this? Go to router and I will show IP int br, show IP interface brief. I could see FA 0 bar 0 is divided into 0.10 for VLAN 10 IP address, this one, tel.1. 0.20 for VLAN 20, this IP address. VLAN 30 subinterface 0 bar 0.30 IP address, this one. And 0 bar 0.40 VLAN 40 IP address 192.168.161. Okay, this is done. If you want to see more details, go to show run, and also we can see 0.0.10 encapsulation.1q protocol, mention VLAN number 10, then IP address, then help address for server IP. Okay, this is actually helping. Okay, you want to get the IP address, you want to contact the server IP. This is server IP 12.2, this one. Okay, that is sub interface. Now inter-VLAN routing means route data from one VLAN to another VLAN in the same network. Okay, inside here only. Don't, we cannot ping from this to this because this is different branches, head office branches. No? So here, inter-VLAN routing means route the data from one VLAN computer to another VLAN in the same network. So have here I have VLAN 10 PC, VLAN 20 PC. So I'll check the VLAN 20 PC IP. It is 12.68. What about here? Let me check the IP here. It is 12.8. Okay. So I'll go here in VLAN 20 PC. I'll try here ping to VLAN 10 PC. So this one I will try 12.8. Inter-VLAN routing means routing data from one computer to one VLAN PC to another VLAN PC in the same network. Okay, the inter-VLAN being done. You want to see that configuration? See here, these are the configuration. Okay, then show command I already don't know. Show IP interface brief. You want to see the access port and trunk port, that will do in the switch. Okay, so that is done. Now next one is remote management of telnet. So that means from any PC, from any of the PC, I can telnet to this router. Okay. For that, I should know the router's management address. So management VLAN is VLAN 40. So this is my management VLAN address for router 12.161. What I will do, I will go to this PC. Okay. I will go here, telnet space. What is the IP address of the management IP of the router? Put this one. I'm going to remotely access from my office PC, from my home PC. I want to access the router. I want to do some configuration. Means I will be in some other location. I want to configure my router from my computer. Just telnet space the IP address of VLAN 40, any management VLAN IP of router. You can give any IP for router, but still always know we give the management IP, management VLAN IP. Then the open. Then first the banner message will come. Then they will ask you password. This password is for telnet password. Okay, what password you configure in the telnet? I configured Cisco 123. You can't see what I'm typing. Even you can also, when you type, you can't see what is doing. Okay, just you type the password. It is correct, means you can get the router console there. Okay, now I want to go to the router configuration. Go to press the enable key. Then they will ask you enable secret password. So I'll give Sohar 456. Now I want to configure something in the router. Configure. Okay, go to configuration mode. I'm going to change the host name as Sohar oil. Okay, just I change the Sohar host name as Sohar oil instead of Sohar oils. Enter like this. Do WR for saving. Okay, now I'll go to this router and see Sohar oils earlier. Now and I enter Sohar oil now. So telnet tested. Okay, you can test from any PC here to this router. Now last one is routing protocol testing. Okay, so routing protocol testing, yani, before that let me check how much time left here. It's almost which one, 7 minutes only. Okay, so we have time. So I'll go for this one, routing protocol testing. Okay, so here where is that routing protocol testing? Okay, so routing protocol means test the connection from one PC in head office to another PC in branch office. Okay, so here I will go to, first I will check the routing protocol. Okay, so first I will check the routing protocol. How do I check the routing protocol? Show IP protocol. Okay, when I check that, I could see my routing protocol is RIP. Okay, it's a distance vector routing protocol. Version is 2. Then I have which one, my networks, direct networks. Okay, how do I see my routing table? Show IP route. When I do this, I have my routing table here. So we have C means direct networks, L means IP address in that. All C's are direct networks. C 192.160.10.0 direct network between router to router. WAN IP is 10.1. Then 192.168.12.0 is VLAN 10. Okay, IP is 12.1. Like that, all the direct networks first. Then we have remote networks. Remote network means as I configure my protocol as routing protocol as RIP, all the remote networks, the network start with letter R. 15.0, 192.168, 15.0, 192.168, 15.64, 128, 160, all these networks are not belonging to this head office, this is branch office. Okay, I could see that routes also in my network, in my router. How do I test this? Ping from any computer in head office to any branch office. Okay, I'll go here. Say I'll open VLAN 10 PC here and I want to ping to VLAN 10 here. Okay, 15.7. I'll go here, ping. I already pinged. Okay, just I will show you again. Same command, no? So I will just try. Okay, 15.7. See, 15.7 is belonging to this computer. I'm pinging from my head office to branch office. This pinging is because routing protocol is configured. Okay, that's the first video for testing the router configuration. Hope you understand.